If you don't have your Christmas stuff put away yet, don't worry, you are not alone. We know many of you are planning to do it this week, and we are here to help. Consumer educator Teresa Hunsaker is here to share very, very smart ways to store Christmas items. In fact, I was just kind of doing a little eye scan during the commercial break, and I'm like, oh my gosh, my mind is blown. Awesome ideas. And you say if we put these ideas into play this year, we'll absolutely thank ourselves next Christmas.
You so will. It makes all the difference in the world. The very first thing that we want to get started on, though, is just the fact that some of our ornaments are sentimental or fragile and that kind of thing. So we want to use bubble wrap, small bubble wrap, tissue paper, coffee filters even work great for wrapping, as well as even some soft batting. So keep that in mind. While we may not show it here, the majority of our ornaments can probably handle what we're showing without these, but there's some that we want to.
Okay, mind-blowing idea number one, putting ornaments in a stackable drawer system.
Don't you love that?
Hello, yes.
And again, so many of our ornaments can handle just being layered right in there without any problem. Easy to do. I can even put tape on the drawers if I need to move it around. But the nice thing is I can move it. I can relocate it to where it's easiest. And then when it comes time to decorate, I'm upstairs with the tree and there's all my stuff right there.
And you can see what's inside.
Exactly, love that. Now here's another one that I absolutely love, and that is a clear tote again, but to take pieces of cardboard and then take your party cups with a small amount of glue.
Right.
Glue those on, and then those are the cups that will hold.
So these are glued to the cardboard.
Yes, and then I can stack and layer and pull them out one by one. And there's a little bit of extra room to put little taller things alongside.
Where have you been all my life?
Don't you love that one?
Yes.
Also, even old tennis, racquetball kinds of containers, egg cartons work great for ornaments as well as, apples that you get like at Costco or some of your produce. Those plastic cardboard containers, either plastic or cardboard work.
What's this?
Wreaths. Oh, do you love this? Blanket and quilt for holding your wreaths.
Oh, it's a quilt package.
Yes, so that works great for keeping the dust off, as well as dress bags for wreaths. My favorite, and this is one that I use, is a laundry tote, and that will hold 3 or 4 wreaths, because you know how you put them along your lights outside, and they're horrible. Yeah, and there's just not enough door space. Yeah, horrible for that. My all-time frustration, though, is the lights.
Oh, don't get me started. Don't get my husband started, who's spent a good portion of his life last
untangling,
December trying to figure this out.
Exactly. So you can hold them in your hand and grip them and go this way, and then elastic band them or twisty them or something like that, which is what I've done here. But you can wrap them around cardboard or hangers. But I also came up with this one. It's a pool noodle, but I can also cut a splice in it so that it can hold the ends on either side.
That's it.
And and I've got long ways to.
Can we buy pool noodles this time of year?
Yes, as a matter of fact, you can still get them.
Okay, good.
And then what about gift wrap and all of those tubes? That one is another one that drives me kind of crazy.
Well, I ordered a specialized gift wrap container years ago, but the rolls of gift wrap are getting taller and thicker.
Exactly.
And so they're poking off the top. The lid doesn't fasten. It's a mess.
And it tips over.
Yeah.
Have you noticed? That's why I love my 5-gallon bucket, is it doesn't tip over. It's stable. And then I can have a little packet of my scissors and things like that. But to store away and out of the way during the Christmas, season, fine, handy, pull it out, and then it stores the rest of the year.
Tissue paper?
Tissue paper in magazine or file folder containers, just to have them all folded and stacked right neat. Right there. Works great.
What's this?
This is our tree.
Oh.
Okay. So now this one is like my favorite thing. I had no idea this would be so ezy, so slick.
You saran wrapped your tree.
I did this. I did this with a package of saran wrap. My husband so wanted to help me, and I said, no. I have to do this on my own. Yes.
This is major payoff.
10 minutes. Now I realize this is a small 4-foot tree, and it's going to take longer, and sometimes you're putting it in segments. Yeah. But I'm telling you, an inexpensive roll of saran wrap, plastic wrap, slick. Love it.
Okay.
And then, again, another idea is to take sheets or pillowcases, depending on the sections, and to belt them off or bungee cord them off. Works great for storing as well as keeping the dust off of them.
Finally, you recommend keeping a master supply list so we know what's hiding in all of those bins.
Right, because we have nooks and crannies that we put things in. So to have a master list, just to say what box, what's in the box, and where is it stored? Is it under the stairs? Is it? And then this can be in my file cabinet or on my computer, quite frankly. But but we've provided you one. So to have that list for even all the odd things, whether it's up in the attic, you know, stuff for the porch, stuff for the,
I mean, it's inventory, which feels like a business-oriented term, but I can only imagine how slick things will be next Christmas when I pull this out and know exactly what is where.
Exactly. It's so nice.
Thank you for that resource. They did provide this for us. We're so grateful to our friends at USU Extension and to Teresa. Look for the link on our website to download it, studio5.ksl.com. A great resource as you're packing up and putting away Christmas. Tear, I get so sad.
I know, but
kind of
it's
depressing.
Also nice.
Happy New Year. Thank you so much.